Hi, I am Sandeep Sharma from Magnum Opus International, and today we are going to have the demonstration of a abrasive type cutting machine. So as you know, in the metallurgy and material science, cutting is one of the key sections, and specific cutting for testing purpose, that is for the spectro sample as well as the metallography sample. So it's very crucial to have proper selection of a cutting machine. I'm just trying to show you the cutting machine is right now in front of me. So as you can see, this is the abrasive type cutting machine. The model that we have displayed is MOI CT17. Okay, so before I move on to the specific cutting machine functions, I just want to brief you that why cutting is so important. So basically, cutting is when you do the shearing of the sample for the testing purpose specifically. In that case, what you do is you try to take a smaller component which represent the complete metal sample. So when we do shearing, one key thing that we have to keep in mind, that is, while cutting the sample, there should not be any burning of the sample. The sample should be properly cooled and it should have homogeneity maintained, because the sample will go for the testing, either metallography or spectroscopy. Okay, so cutting is very critical, as we know. So let us have a discussion and a demonstration for the cutting machine. Here, as I am trying to show you, there are different sections in any equipment. So here also we have the same thing. Now I just want to show you what are the different parts of this machine. As you can see, this particular section represents the electrical panel board, you can call it. Okay, so this is where you can control all the electrical functions of this machine. Now the basic purpose of this machine is going to be cutting of the sample. So first question that comes to your mind is going to be the what sample size it is going to cut. So here you can cut a sample, you can hold a sample from 10 mm up to 80 mm. Okay, for this particular model. So from the model, let me just brief you. There are 4 different types of models that is available. First one is using the 3 HP motor. So its cutting capacity is going to be from 0 to 80 mm. Second one is we use 5 HP motor. The cutting capacity is going to be from 0 to 100 mm. Third one is going to be 7.5 HP motor. So cutting capacity will be from 0 to 120 mm. I am talking about the round radius sample, so maximum 120 mm radius. Okay, and the fourth one is going to be if you go for a higher 10 HP motor, then you are able to cut around roughly 150 mm of the sample radius. I am saying 150 mm radius of the sample. Okay, so these are the basic 4 models. The present model that we have demonstrated to you, that is using 3 HP motor. Okay. So in our this is the manual of the machine, operator manual. So as you can see, right. So this carry all the information about how the machine performs, what are the instructions for starting the machine, then how the cutting wheel should be selected. All those things are given in detail inside the manual. Right. Now before I proceed to different section, I just want to brief you about the technical specification. What specification are there for this particular sample? Okay, so the first one is the electrical and the cutting section. So the key to that is the motor. As we have already said, it is a 3 HP motor, and the wheel size is going to be I think it is 300 mm, 300 mm dia wheel. So it is quite eligible to cut a sample up to 0 to 80 mm. That is what we are confessing for this particular model. Okay, so that is what we are doing. Then if you see the different section, the upper half of the section is known as the cutting unit of this machine. The second half is known as the vice or the holding devices. The third half, that is the tray, that is being made for the sample water to it is moving back to its tank again after filtering. Okay, and the sample after getting cut, it falls into this particular tray. So for the ease of sample cutting, we have maintained this. So this is I'm just trying to show you. This is the tray where the sample comes. Okay. Now this is the handle of the vice. for holding the sample. Okay. Then at the back of the machine, if you are able to see, so as you can see, this is the back side of the machine, and you can see here. See, so yeah, so this is the motor and this is the mechanism for the cutting wheel. Okay, so at the bottom of this there is the water tank, and this is a water tank which can hold coolant up to approximately 60 liter. So 60 liter coolant is recirculated. It is getting filtered and recirculated during the cutting mechanism. As you can see, there are certain features in the electrical section also. We are using the MCB mechanism. As you can see this, it's here. Okay, and this is the panel board. Now, how the sample is being cut. So, for that I am just requesting to bring the camera near to it so that you can see. You can bring it still nearer. Yeah. So this is the inside view of the cutting section. As you can see, these are two pipes which will be keep on continuously circulating the coolant during the cutting of the sample. As you can see, this is the cutting wheel. This is the vise. So this this vise is a specialized one. It is a 360-degree rotatable vise. Okay, and the span of movement is around 120 mm. Okay, so presently we have holded this sample. This is around 65 mm dia sample. So how does this, how to start the machine? So we can just show you. See, before starting the machine, let me make one thing very clear. We need to be very safe. See, I have already holded the sample inside it. You can tight the sample, you can move the vise through this. See, this is for moving the position of the vise. Okay, now from safety point of view, it is always advisable that you keep this shutter closed while cutting the sample. So this is very important. Okay, नहीं चलेगा. So further continuing for this. So how to start the machine? So first thing is to check the power, whether we have connected the mains power. So as we can see, the power is already connected. The MCB has been switched on. So there are two push button switches. The green is to switch on the machine and the red is to switch off the machine. And there are two rotary switches given. One is for the coolant and the second one is for the light while cutting. Okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to start the machine right now. Wheel चालू हो. So through this button, the wheel has already started moving. This is just I am trying to show to you. From safety aspect, we are not supposed to keep this open, right? Now second one is for the coolant. So I am just switching on the coolant. So as you can see, the coolant has started flowing. The wheel is running. Then what I have to do is I have to close this, and then there is a spindle arm. So through this you have to bring down the cutting wheel, right? So this is how you have to process. So the cutting process is already started inside, right? So once, now how much pressure you need to apply on this spindle, that is again through experience only you can know. Okay. So I think this is how we can demonstrate you the cutting machine, right? थोड़ा पीछे ले लो. Now as far as the different spare parts or the accessories are concerned, there are three different accessories that we give with this machine. Can I have that? So this is the spanner that is for the replacement of the wheel, cutting wheel. So with this you have to open. Now this is 36, right? 36 mm dia for holding 36 mm. Okay. And this one is to tighten the grip of the vise while holding the sample. So these are the two accessories that we are that is accompanied with the machine, right? So this is what we have in the demonstration and the working of the cutting machine. Once the sample is cut, how does it look like? I'll try to show you the sample. There was one sample here, right? So the sample after getting cut,
काफी दोनों
So now I'm taking help of one of our engineer, that is to cut the sample. So as you can see, I'm opening this up just to show you. Cut, right? Okay, so that is done. So as you can see, this is the sample that has been cut and the surface seems quite smooth. So we have successfully cut the sample, hence the demonstration of this cutting machine, right? Thank you very much and bye.